We caught a ferry from Brindisi to Patras and then drove to Kyllini to catch another ferry to Zakynthos, where we explored for 3 days. From there we went back to Kyllini and further south to Gialova before making our way to Lefkada. From there we went to Macedonia. And just like that, we are on another ferry for the day, this time heading to Zakynthos. Very exciting. Zakynthos Island has been a highlight of our trip so far. We paid for a boat tour, which took us to some incredible blue caves on the western coast and Shipwreck Bay.
See the doubt in those eyes. Even though you try to hide it, it's not much to figure out, cause I know why. And I won't try to fight it, and I'll be the first to tell you, you were right. Oh, you were right, Won't try to say I'm sorry this time.
After our boat tour, we drove our van to the Shipwreck Bay lookout and had some incredible views of the beach below.
On our third day on the island, we continued down the southwest coast for some stunning views and beaches. We stopped for a swim at Kerry Beach before catching the ferry back to the mainland, where we slept the night at the port. The following day, we drove to Gialova.
I want you to know that
So the campsite is just there, and this is our little private beach. Pretty incredible.
We spent one night in Gialova, Greece, the southernmost point on our trip, at an amazing campsite where we made ourselves right at home. The following day we journeyed north to Lefkada, an island connected to the mainland.
We have just arrived to our camping spot half an hour out of Lefkada, and we have arrived 4 hours later than planned because Remy, our camper van, has been overheating all day today. So what we usually do is run hot air to cool her down, but today that didn't work. The cold air sometimes helped, but wasn't doing too much. It is Saturday and we can't get it to a mechanic until Monday, so don't know what we're going to do, but we just pulled up to a campsite right on the beach, and there's some Germans in front of us and they have a reno and they're going to look at it tomorrow, so fingers crossed they can help us with something.
And this is our campsite, if you can see it through the dirty window. But we're literally right on the water. Yeah. And that is not your jumper. After a 5-minute conversation in German, which I didn't understand, and some tinkering around, we got the van started and drove her to Lefkada. We spent the night at Port Katsiki, which has been my favourite beach so far.
I try not to remember. I got lost in the storm of my ways. Couldn't pull myself together, and I'll be the first to tell you, you were right.
Hello, it is 8:20 p.m. and we are back in Greece after a failed border covered in a number of countries, but what we didn't know was that we couldn't actually enter that country without a green card. So they proposed that we paid €55, so that's about 90, 100 Australian dollars. And since we're not covered for Macedonia and Montenegro, which we're going to in about a week or two, we figured we'll just pay the one for Montenegro because we're there for a lot longer and we really want to